In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money with Sendwave to Vietnam quickly and easily. Whether you're sending funds to family or supporting friends, this guide will walk you through the process with straightforward steps. First, head over to the Sendwave website. Once you're there, take a look at the upper right corner of the screen. You'll notice a country flag displayed there. Go ahead and click on it. What we're doing here is simply ensuring that we're set up to send money from the right location. In this instance, select the Nigerian flag from the available options. Now that you've set your location, it's time to provide some personal information. Here you'll need to enter various details such as your full name and date of birth. Part of this step also involves stating the purpose of the account. You'll need to fill in your billing address, including the zip code, city, and state. Accuracy is crucial here, as these details are necessary to verify your identity and set up your account properly. Once you've filled in all the required personal information, click on the button labeled Finish. This action will ensure that all entered data is saved and your initial setup is complete. Next, you'll be prompted to choose the primary reasons for transferring money. This part of the process helps Sendwave understand the nature of your transactions better, ensuring they adhere to international financial guidelines. Following that, click on Continue to move on to the identity verification stage. This verification is an essential step that protects both you and the recipient, ensuring that your transactions are secure. You'll now need to select the country and the type of identification document you'll be using. It's crucial to choose the document that best represents your identity, such as a passport or national ID. Once you've selected your identification type, click Continue. This will bring you to the verification process. You're almost there. Click on Start to begin verifying your identity. After completing the verification process, you'll see a page where you can click Done. This signifies that all personal verification checks have been successfully completed. Now it's time to record your face. This biometric step adds a layer of security to the transaction process. Just follow the on-screen prompts to complete this requirement. Finally, after your face recording is complete, it's time to continue forward and actually send the money. With all verification steps taken care of, you can proceed to enter the amount you wish to send, along with the recipient's information. And with that, your transaction is ready to go. Thank you for watching. I hope this guide makes your experience with Sendwave seamless. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials.